Here we have one of Wittmann's DRYMAX E-Series dryers, and today I'm going to go over how to operate this unit, give you important terminology to remember, and give you basic dryer knowledge that the user should know when using our control panel. Prior to startup, make sure that the electrical connection and grounding of the device is in place. Then turn on the device without drying material on and set to the desired drying temperature. Leave the device running without material for 6 hours on to remove any moisture from the device. After successful startup, the device is ready for operation for drying material. Keep in mind, when turning on the device, make sure you switch the main switch on first, and then you can press the power button. This will bring you to menu 1, which shows us the measured value, process temperature, and the operating status. By switching to menu 2 with the mode button, from here you can change to the desired temperature you want. Press the power button to activate or deactivate the process heater for the corresponding silo, and then confirm using the mode button. Now press mode again to get us to menu 3. This menu is only available if it has the optional dew point sensor equipped to the unit. This feature is beneficial for energy savings because the dew point reading can be used to delay the bed switchover until a user-defined dew point level is reached. Switch to level 4 to adjust the desired dew point temperature, which is only feasible if equipped with this option. Next, we get to menu 5, which is the measured value material protection function and return air temperature menu. The return air temperature is utilized to activate the material protection function. Once the set limit value has been reached, the material protection function will be activated. This menu will also display the measured value of the return air temperature for the silo. By switching to menu 6, you have the ability to enter the limit value of the material saver function. This function prevents over-drying and thermal degradation of plastic resin during the periods of reduced throughput by automatically lowering the drying temperature. You can find the automatic limit valve function at the lower temperature range. Next, we will navigate to menu 7, which is responsible for setting the pre-drying time. You must first switch off the dryer, then you can select your pre-drying time in hours from 0 to 24 hours using the up-down buttons. To start the pre-drying time, switch the dryer on. From here on out, whenever you switch to menu 7, it will show you the remaining pre-drying time. Last but not least, we get to menu 8, which is used in completing several different tasks. This screen shows numbers 1, 2, 3 in the display. Starting from the menu, the key lock can be either activated or deactivated. You can lock the keys by getting to code 150 or unlock them at code 153. Set your command by pressing the power button. With code 120, you can set the temperature units. Hitting the up key will get you to Fahrenheit, and the down key will get you to Celsius. Also, by getting the code 111, you have the ability to view some important information for your system. The following points are given. You can view the bed and regeneration, the actual running time of the bed, the process step, the actual temperature of the left regeneration bed, the actual temperature of the right regeneration bed, the actual waste air left, the actual waste air on the right, the actual dew point, and the actual value of frequency inverted output. And then last but not least, we have code 112, which is the error log feature. If your information button is lit up, you can get to this menu to configure what the problem is. By clicking up and down at the same time, you will clear all alerts in the system. Prior to clearing the errors, make sure you write down the information so that way our service technicians can easily identify and fix the problem. On the top of the display, you can see the following symbols. Starting from the right, this symbol is illuminated if a service check is recommended. This symbol is illuminated if the units are in Fahrenheit. If not, this shows that you're in Celsius. These two symbols show the material saver function. If this symbol is illuminated, it shows that the material saver function is activated for that particular silo. And lastly, these two symbols show silos 1 and 2 and are illuminated if the process heater of that particular silo is activated. We also have the symbol for regeneration A, which shows that the left or front desiccant bed is currently in regeneration, and regeneration B, which shows that the right or back desiccant bed is currently in regeneration. With the timer button, you have the ability to change the current date and time as well as set a weekly timer. Let's say, for example, you want to switch on the device Monday at 4:10 a.m. and switch off the device Friday at 1:40 p.m. The following menu numbers represent each day of the week. So if we want to start on Monday, we want the start label illuminated as well as 1 for Monday. Now we can adjust the hours and minutes to 4:10. Now we want to stop on Friday using the timer button. We want the stop label illuminated as well as 5 for Friday. Since this unit uses military time, we will set it at 13:40 for 1:40 p.m. Afterwards, you can press this button to turn the timer on and off. The portable drying conveyors compact dryer option enables the highest flexibility with the integration of a side channel blower and the connection of up to 2 material consumers. If equipped, some of these benefits include a maintenance-free vacuum blower, just-in-time conveying, integrated dry air conveying, central dust separation and collection, 2-in-1 control system, and a simple interface. Now when you are turning off your device, make sure you press the power button and wait till the temperature comes all the way down until it is no longer shown on the board and it only displays off. After this approximate 3-minute wait, you can now turn off the device to the off position. These instructions will help to understand how to operate your control panel, and to find more information on the unit, please take a look at either our operating manual or our training manual. And if necessary, our service technicians are always available and ready to answer your call.